Hello, here I am at our garage and I'm so excited because guess what we got today? Power! So we have just a small amount of power hooked up, but we have our outdoor outlet. We have an outlet for our camper, and then inside we have our panel started and one outlet in here. So, no more generator! Woohoo! Generators are so loud. Alright, so I'm going to give you a little bit of a tour of what we've done so far in our garage. We have all the walls up, and now we're waiting for trusses. So, here you go. This is our inside. And out here, this is where we're going to have a covered patio and a view of the mountains once we clear. I started building a wall over here, a retaining wall. I'm going to start putting that up more. I cut back on what was there. It was quite a ways out, and I used my tractor and cut things by hand to make a nice path there. And now you can see our walls are all up and zipped up. Once the trusses are up, we can do the rest of the sheathing on the outside and then put the trusses on and our sheathing for the trusses. So you might be saying, some people say, or a lot of people have been saying, why so many windows? It's a garage. Because let me tell you why. Sometimes we're going to park our camper right here and hang out here. I'll be doing a lot more landscaping. I pretty much just started moving some stuff from my other property, but I plan to fill this all in with some nice vegetation, shrubs, perennials, and redo all the grass. That's the leach field up there, so we need to get rid of the fire pit, and you're not really supposed to have anything up on the leach field. So fire pit, I need to move it. Just can't figure out why. Just can't figure out where to put it. But if you have some ideas after you look at this place, leave some comments, leave some suggestions in the comment thread, and give us an idea of where we could put that. That is for our tenants over there. They use that fire pit. I'm possibly thinking of maybe over that way, but we have all this land too. And I'll probably want a fire pit for myself as well. Here's the front of the garage. And we probably won't be driving a vehicle in very much, but we wanted to have the garage door in case we do change our mind and someday live here. If this is like our home base while we're traveling, then we might be using this garage. As you can see, they had to build up quite a bit. There was quite a slope here. They had to build up for the garage because it goes down quite a ways. And we got some trash to clean up down there. We own quite a ways that way, and our property runs at an odd angle. And this is the side of the garage. And we're back to what we'll call the front and the place where we can sit and relax. We're probably going to put our hot tub out here too. So we'll have a nice overhang, place for a hot tub, probably my swing, so I love to swing. And then we have all these windows so we can look out and take in nature if we are inside. Inside we're going to use quite a bit right now for storage. But I'm hoping to have this area just to be kind of a place where we could sit inside and relax. If we are here with the camper, then we could use this space if we want an indoor space besides just the camper. So that's the tour of what we've done so far with the garage. And stay tuned for our next step, the trusses, sheathing, roof. Woohoo! If you find my videos useful or entertaining,
please click like and subscribe. Thank you.